believed that the water is holy, so that's why we are collecting water. So this is Kashi Vishweshwara Swami temple. People believe this is the Dakshina Kashi. So if you come over here, visit this temple. And this is the Nandi. This must be the pond, Koneru. But there is no water. I suppose they have blocked the water entering into this pond. Coming. Happy? So now we are climbing down up to temple. You can come on any day, Monday to Sunday, but trekking, if you want to go from that place, only Saturday and Sunday, only those 2 days are allowed. The other days they don't allow you to go for trekking. So from here up to temple you can go anytime. You can visit, maybe depending upon the timings of the temple, because there is no any barricade, there is no gate. Lot of monkeys. I suppose monkeys are not coming close to us because we are holding this camera. Okay, see here. Monkeys, they are feeding. So this action cam battery dead. 2 batteries were used, one for climbing up and one for climbing down. Both over, so now we are shooting with mobile phone. So you can I'll show you, those people are carrying water. I'll just turn the camera from this side to that side. So here you can see those people are carrying water in water cans, stating that it is like a pure Kaveri water, like a mineral water without any kind of filtration. So let me show you, because we are also carrying one bottle of water in our flask. But these people, see, you can see they are carrying water in cans. So people believe like this is the sacred water, holy water, better than the mineral water. So we almost all, not almost all, we came to the parking place. Now we are near the parking place. We came, we returned. So we completed the trekking. We are at the entrance now. It is almost all 12 p.m. It's 11:39 and we started climbing around 9:30. Now we climbed down 11:30. That means 9:30, 10:30, 11:30. Within 2 hours we completed the trek. We reached the top. Inside caves also we visited, and now we came down. So this is the place worth visiting, but don't forget to visit the caves. Now, so follow me. We'll catch you in Bangalore. Take care. Here you can see this person is carrying water in water bottle, not water bottle, in cans. Daily ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು? ಡೈಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಏನಿದೆ?
ಕುಡಿಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೀರು.
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದಾ? So he's telling that this water is pure more than the aquaguard which we use in our home, the purifier which we use in our home. So they consider this as very holy water also, and he says that this water sweets very that means like very tasty in his words. Okay, so daily ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ? ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು?
ಕೀಲ್ಕೋಟೆ.
ಕೀಲ್ಕೋಟೆ
ಇದೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ.
ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇದಾ? So they come from Keelkote and they'll carry water daily. Okay, so I suppose these people are blessed to carry water. We have fixed aquaguards and all those things at home. Okay, so this is the parking lot where we park 2-wheeler, and there is one more parking lot where you can park 4-wheelers. So let's start it in journey.